We prefer fruits dash sweet. Too sweet. Not only the parents but also their son dash for interview. Has been called for interview. The headmaster dash to speak to you. Wants to. Knowledge and wisdom dash no time for connection. Have no time. Dash umbrella is of no avail against a thunderstorm. An umbrella. She always carried an umbrella. The sentence indicates past simple. Ahmed dashed me for a long time. Knew. Choose the correct sentence. B. His first inning consists of 4 6 and 3 4s. Choose the correct sentence. What a fall was there, my countryman long playing the king. Choose the correct sentence. B. He and I were playing. Choose the correct sentence. D. Every one of the prisons is full. Choose the correct sentence. Gulliver's Travels was written by Swift. Choose the correct sentence. A. I hope this letter will find you in a good of high spirit. Choose the correct sentence. I wish I were a millionaire. Choose the correct sentence. No star is brighter than the moon. Choose the correct sentence. Had he lived in England, he would have missed his family. Choose the correct spelling. D. Accentuated. Choose the correct spelling. B. Cautioned. Choose the correct spelling. A. Eccentric. Choose the correct spelling. D. Definite.